Here I have Samsung Galaxy J7 2017 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. So in my case, it could be, for example, the calendar. Let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, for 2 seconds. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down simultaneously power key and volume down for 2 seconds. And you just capture another screenshot. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the screenshot folder. You can do it by using the upper bar and by tapping screenshot captured right here. You may also accomplish that by using your home screen. So let's go to your home screen, choose the gallery. Right here you've got the pictures, you can choose your screenshot. You can also choose albums and select the screenshot album. Here you've got only the screenshots. Now you can share, edit, delete or do other stuff with the following screenshot. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.